Well, good morning from León. Last hiking day I did approximately 35 miles. A little bit long, but beautiful and rewarding. And so today I'm going to try and get to Astorga. It's nice and cool this morning. The architecture around me is magnificent with the cathedral. I'm thinking it's going to be a wonderful and blessed day. Why don't you come along with me?
I saw a blue jay today.
Always something magical about mornings in these old cities.
And as I watched it from the shade, I realized this little bird liked being wild and unafraid. I wanna be like that little thing. Instead of worrying, when I close my eyes, I see dresses in the sunshine, blowing on a clothesline, and everything is fine. And when I rest my head, I remember that you said,
Still in the sprawling megalopolis that is León. Hopefully get something for desayunos here shortly. Haven't seen anything open along the route. But this is about 4.5 miles from the cathedral and still urban. Countryside soon. Still a beautiful day. Overcast, so it'll keep it cool for the morning.
unconcerned with time. When I close my eyes, I see dresses in the sunshine, blowing on a clothesline, and everything is fine. And when I rest my head, I remember that you said, I'm gonna see in time.
The storks sure have a family housing unit.
When I close my eyes, I see dresses in the sunshine, blowing on a clothesline, and everything is fine.
So about 14 miles out of León, finally out of kind of a commercial industrial highway kind of thing, into the trees where it seems a little peaceful, and you know, you can do a little introspection instead of, gee, another semi going by. So good amount of miles still going to try and make Astorga today. Hopefully there's a lot more of this today. Well, I may have spoke too soon. Look, another opportunity to play Frogger. Well, we're getting a little more rural here and open, or a lot more rural and open, near the freshly fertilized fields. My brain is right now trying to comprehend what is assaulting my nose. It's really special. So anyhow, gone is the urban sprawl. and the mountains in the distance. Okay, this is Hospital de Obrigo. I think there's a few hostels here. May take a few minutes to look around. I think there's a tourism or a pilgrim's office here also. So, might be worth a few extra minutes of time. People fly fishing. The Camino is about 120 feet down there. It sits in the low ground, and here on the app that I use, this is the blue route, but this is the higher ground, so you get a better view coming into town, and you're not shrouded by trees and bushes on either side, and I kind of think you get a better distance view here. Those stairs got me breathing a little hard to hold a camera. Try for a hotel tonight. Get the best price I can, get some rest. Oh, this is beautiful. And hopefully this will be it.